This is a 42-inch ceiling with light fan, brown wood. This is the blade, as you can see. It is nice indeed. I'll get a nice close-up look for you so you can see what it looks like. Now what we're going to go do is going to assemble everything. You have a motor, you have a small, medium, large pipe. You have a lighting fixture, you have the cosmetics cover, and don't forget to put these together correctly. This is a 42-inch ceiling fan. We have a motor, 3 blades, the lighting fixture, remote control, transmitter, receiver, cosmetic covers, small, medium, large plate, and we're going to install the unit right above. Bracket goes up very easy. We have the gimbal that simply slides in here. I just want to show you there's a notch. You're going to listen for the click. And that would be the height we want. If you don't want that tall of a height, you have a short and a medium pole. So we're going to leave it like so. We get about 8 of these, 2 are spare. And it's a little tricky to put this on. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for these things and you're going to match up the best you can. You're going to start to tighten down one at a time. Match up like for like. And when you do this correctly, it'll all go into place. As you can see, I'm not aligned up correctly, so I'm going to have to take them off. And seat them up correctly. When everything goes in correctly, then you can start to tighten down. Our next step is to put the light on. You're going to push the wires through, and you're going to get the screws and lock them down. As you lock each of the screws down, try not to lose any. They go into a specific spot. Top, do your best to slide them on. They will lock into place. We're going to do this a little differently now. There's a little hole right here and there. We're going to go to the smaller bar. We're going to slide this on. We're going to slide this through. We're going to look for the hole over here. We want to try to match up the best we can. Right there, as you can see, it falls into place. You're going to take the screws, you're going to place back on, and this will lock everything down for you so nothing will fall. You have a cover, it's fallen off, this goes here. This is wash it on. We always forget to do this. And we're going to put all the wires through now. Pull up just a little bit and it'll go right in there. With the help of a friend, you really don't need any help. You simply just go up, pull down a little, line up. It should click right in. All these leads, you're going to tie ground for ground. Match the red, white, and black plug, red on red. Take the blue and the whites, simply snap together. And if you make a mistake, you can pull them right off. They're not that hard. They snap on nice and comfortable. You're going to take your cover, make sure your leads are in there, and then you're going to twist. And then you're going to take this cover and you're going to twist on. There's no magnets. Some of them have magnets, and there you go, and your fan is done. Plug in your AC. It gives a nice beep. It's ready to go. I'm going to stand clear. I'm going to hit the light button. It shuts off, turns on to a warm Kelvin from a natural Kelvin. As you can see, it's got the high and low Kelvins. If you hold the button, it's not going to brighten up or decrease. You have 6 speeds. We're going to put it on number 2. This is for the summertime. It blows down, it cools the air. If you want to change it for the winter time, you have the forward and reverse. If you want to turn the light on, you can do so as well. It's nice and quiet. We have this circle over here, that's forward, and we have reverse. It shows a little green light as it's slowing down for reverse. We have speeds 1, 2, and 4 hours. And we have here's the fan off and all off. I like this one here. It gives it like a simulation to a breeze outside. So we're going to do all off. And then we just have the fan off. And we can hit the fan to turn it on to the breeze. We have a hanger. It goes on the wall and it hangs up. You have to supply your own AAA batteries. The ceiling fan installation DY1620 1L 42-inch blade comes in a number of colors and a number of sizes from the company. It is a nice quiet fan. Let me show you what it sounds like. Speed number 6. And all off. Just the fan off, leave the light on. That is a nice fan. Definitely for, a day room outside, sitting inside, looking out the sun on your patio that's enclosed. This is an indoor fan. It does a great job indeed. I'm going to be a little safe, unplug it, and there I am. It's a solid, strong wood fan. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for. Enjoy your ceiling fan.